Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research. Subscribe now and press the bell icon to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel and never miss out on any stock market update and build your knowledge on investment.
Hello friends, in the current week we have seen that the broader indices has closed at a mark of 15,690 level with a weekly loss of 32 points or a minor loss of 0.2%. Now here are the few observations regarding the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty. In the current week we have seen that Nifty has faced major supply near to its lifetime high zone, and we have seen some amount of profit booking specifically from that area, that is above 15,900 to 15,915. On weekly charts, the Nifty has formed a doji candle pattern near to its all-time high level, which shows some indecisiveness specifically at the higher levels. Talking about the daily charts, on daily charts, the Nifty has traded near its 20-day simple moving average throughout the week, which indicates some amount of range bound characteristics of the market, at least from the short term perspective. Regarding the momentum indicator, the daily momentum indicator is sustaining above 50 mark, which shows bullish momentum for the market is intact. Support and resistance from technical perspective, key support level is placed at 15,431 and below that at 15,145, while major supply is placed at 15,986 and above that at 16,687. Now, what could be the probable strategy to trade Nifty for the next week? Since the larger degree trend is strongly on the positive side, traders should go along with a strict stop loss, placing at 15,431 for their all existing long position as well as fresh new long position going to be created in the next week. Now talking about Bank Nifty. On the weekly charts, the Bank Nifty has maintained its higher top, higher bottom formation, which indicates that the bullish structure of this particular sector is still intact. On the daily chart, the Bank Nifty has maintained above 20 days simple moving average throughout the week, which indicates positive sentiment of the index from short-term perspective. Daily momentum indicators has been sustaining near 50 mark throughout the week for Bank Nifty, which shows positive momentum is intact for this sector. Talking about support and resistance, key support level for Bank Nifty is placed at 33,908 and below that at 33,273, while major resistance is placed at 35,811 and above that at 36,497. Now for the next week, we have identified two stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader market. First one is Granules Limited. One can buy on minor dip around 365 with a stop loss placing at 340 for an upside potential of 405. Another counter which seems to be bullish is India Bulls Housing Finance Limited. One can buy at 268 with a stop loss placing at 258 for an upside potential of 290. So that's it for the current week, friends. If you like our view and our stock speak, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also follow us on Instagram as well as on Twitter. Thank you very much for joining us.